Today I'm going to tell you about a company whose shares have surged 887% in just the past month and at the same time brought us a 440% profit. Before diving into the video, let me remind you that I have a target of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of September. If we can reach 1,000 subscribers on this channel, I will reveal and share with you one by one all the companies that I hold in my portfolio, which have already taken off and earned me significant profits. If this sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe so we can reach our goal together. At the same time, this is not the first company I'm sharing with you. Up until now, I have brought you detailed research on companies like Rigetti, AMPX, and WULF at their early stages, and since then, most of them have grown by hundreds of percent. Make sure to check out those videos on my channel because these companies are still in their early phases and offer huge opportunities. As for today's company, as you've seen in the title of the video, it's Pitanium Limited. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this company, from what it does, its projects, partnerships, and leadership, all the way to analysts' future price predictions. So let's get started. Pitanium Limited is a Hong Kong-based manufacturer of cosmetics and personal care products. The company produces skincare and haircare products under the Pitanium brand. In 2019, the Pitanium brand entered the market with high-end haircare products aimed at professional salons, and in 2023, it launched the Big PI brand to offer product sets directly to consumers. Pitanium sells both online and offline through 6 retail stores in Hong Kong. The company's production department operates in-house as well as through collaborations with various OEM/ODM manufacturers. This allows them to expand their product range and develop innovative formulas. Overall, Pitanium is essentially a parent company registered in the British Virgin Islands, with all its main operations carried out by its wholly owned subsidiary, Here We Seoul Limited, based in Hong Kong. Pitanium's revenue mainly comes from the sales of cosmetic products under its Pitanium and Big PI brands. The company reaches customers through its online store as well as 6 physical stores located in luxury shopping malls. Pitanium started in 2019 by offering products for professional salons, which later expanded into retail sales. The Big PI brand, launched in 2023, focuses on selling complete product sets. Their product line includes a variety of categories such as facial serums, toners, masks, shampoos, makeup products, and even some household items. In addition to the work of its in-house R&D team, Pitanium also partners with external OEM/ODM suppliers to develop and produce its products. This collaboration allows Pitanium to use the supplier's technical capabilities and facilities while designing formulas that meet its product standards. Pitanium targets Hong Kong's upper-tier consumers, those seeking premium cosmetics, as well as professional establishments. The company runs active marketing campaigns online and works with advertising partners such as search engines and affiliate networks to drive traffic. These partnerships improve visibility in search results and help expand its visitor base. At the same time, Pitanium seeks to build a loyal customer base through loyalty programs and membership systems. Looking at the financial results for the past 2 full fiscal years, the numbers are still based on a relatively small scale, but there are some growth trends. In fiscal year 2023, the company's revenue was 68,196,877 Hong Kong dollars, while in fiscal year 2024 it increased to 74,930,388 Hong Kong dollars, an approximate growth of 9.87%. The main reason for this increase was the opening of a new store in 2024, which contributed to additional revenue, while most of the revenue still came from existing stores and online sales channels. On the other hand, in 2023 the company's net profit was 10,255,420 Hong Kong dollars, but in 2024 it dropped to 8,896,295 Hong Kong dollars. That's a 13.25% decrease in net profit. The decline was mainly due to higher expenses. The company increased spending on consulting services to expand into foreign markets and to upgrade its internal accounting systems. Overall, Pitanium is not yet a company of high profitability but rather one showing revenue growth. However, since this growth is based on a relatively small scale, the numbers are not very large. Additionally, challenges such as supply chain management and cost optimization remain. As a result, natural competition, rising expenses, and higher marketing costs all impact the company's bottom line. In terms of valuation, the stock's P/E ratio is currently very high. This means that relative to its production volume and profit, the stock is valued at a steep level. Various analyst platforms have not yet set a price target for Pitanium due to its limited track record 100 and small profits. Similarly, Zacks and other analyst sites have not published official data on Pitanium's revenues and growth prospects. In short, the lack of analyst coverage is noticeable. Pitanium Limited was incorporated in October 2024 in the British Virgin Islands, with all operations carried out by its wholly owned subsidiary, Here We Soul Limited in Hong Kong. This is essentially the only operating entity. The ownership structure shows that the two co-founders, CEO and Director Young Wong and Chairman of the Board Yuan E. Young, are also permanent directors and co-founders of Here We Soul Limited. During the last share allocation before the IPO, both co-founders acquired 3,333,330 Class A shares each, giving them a combined 48.07% voting power. Before founding the company, both had served as directors in various beauty and wellness institutions. Notably, Yuan E. Young has years of experience in the beauty and wellness industry and, as co-founder of Here We Soul Limited, has created innovative brands like masks and spa products for cosmetic purposes. In Pitanium's business model, external partners play a key role. On the production side, Pitanium closely collaborates with OEM and ODM companies. This allows the company to quickly expand its product portfolio. For example, they work with experienced researchers to create new formulas and outsource production when necessary. This way, Pitanium aims to compete by offering products tailored to market demand. On the marketing side, Pitanium leverages international partnerships. The company works with Google and other major search engines for ad campaigns, as well as with affiliate networks to boost sales. They maintain active profiles on social media to directly engage with their target audience and promote their products. In addition, the company implements loyalty programs, discounts, and reward systems to retain existing customers. The shopping malls that host Pitanium stores are also important partners, as they increase the brand's visibility. Since cosmetics is the company's main source of revenue, Pitanium intends to follow industry trends and expand its product line in the future. The company plans to launch innovative home use products as part of this expansion. For example, a large part of the funds raised from the IPO will be allocated to developing a mobile app. This will enrich the online shopping experience and personalize customer interactions. The company also plans to introduce new product lines. Unlike salon-grade products, these would be designed for use at home. This strategy could help Pitanium deepen its existing market while also potentially entering new ones such as Europe and America. At the same time, the company is exploring additional suppliers to expand its financial capacity and market share while enriching its product portfolio. This includes partnerships with producers of bioactive ingredients and research centers. Strengthening marketing strategies is also a priority for Pitanium. By expanding digital advertising and social media campaigns, the company aims to increase brand recognition and attract new customers. For instance, it plans to work with bloggers and well-known KOLs to promote its products. This will help boost brand awareness, especially among younger consumers. In conclusion, Pitanium positions itself as a cosmetics company preparing for rapid growth. However, its future success will largely depend on effectively managing advertising costs, ensuring supply chain security, and properly evaluating market competition. Before moving on to analysts' forecasts about the company, let me mention that if you want to get up to $30 worth of free stock or crypto, you can register on the QuantFury platform using my referral code through the pinned comment below. And if you enjoy my videos, you can also buy me a cup of coffee through another pinned link to support me and keep me motivated to make more content. Now let's continue. Currently, Pitanium Limited shares are not covered by major financial analysts or rating agencies, so there are no official price targets or ratings available. On popular financial platforms like MarketBeat, Zacks Investment Research, and Yahoo Finance, there are no forecasts or investment recommendations for Pitanium. This shows that detailed reports about the company have not yet been published by leading analyst platforms. Due to the lack of analyst coverage, some automated forecast systems provide certain estimates. For example, according to CoinCodex, in 2025 PTNM shares are expected to trade between $9.29 and $13.97, with an average annual price of around $10.73. This suggests the stock will remain relatively stable compared to current levels. For 2026, the price is projected to range between $8.94 and $9.30, reflecting a downward trend. After its IPO, Pitanium's share price has been volatile, starting at around $4.05 early in the year and rising to $11.12 by September. The absence of analyst forecasts is notable, while investors focus on the company's fluctuating sales volumes and declining net profits. Some observers note that the stock is overvalued compared to its earnings, with the P/E ratio being extremely extremely high. That said, Pitanium's investment in R&D and active presence in digital marketing create a positive image. The company's plans for a mobile app, new product lines, and expansion into international markets make it appealing to certain investors. With no official analyst ratings, there are both optimistic and pessimistic signals. Pitanium's future will depend on its ability to follow market trends and execute its leadership strategy effectively. In summary, Pitanium Limited is considered a niche company with high potential, aiming to secure its place in the beauty products market while leveraging new technologies. However, given its current financials and market valuation, investors should remain cautious. Key risk factors such as high valuation, small market share, and strong competition are still very much in play.